So I have the Galaxy Z Flip 7 and I'll be showing you how to screenshot the cover screen. So you can actually take screenshots of the cover screen simply by pressing the power and volume down button. So when it's open, this is normally volume up, but when it's closed, it's volume down. So volume down and power, the buttons will change depending on whether you have the phone open or closed. So power and volume down, let's press those buttons once and release, and that takes a screenshot. So you'll see the screen flashing. You may even hear the screenshot sound if you have sounds enabled. And then you can take a screenshot of any page on the cover screen. So there you go. So all the screenshots taken from the cover screen can be accessed through the open screen. Just go to the gallery and then you can see your cover screen screenshots. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck.